Sometimes when you generate a thumbnail with ChatGPT, because I like to produce video tutorials on 3D, right? What I do is I simply just drag and drop the, I simply just drag and drop the thumbnail into Photopea, right? So after this loads, go to this one. I had to fix up some errors, so sometimes some text will be cut off, so you can just ask the ChatGPT to regenerate it. So here is the uh first first work that we'll be working with, right? So this is just the pure rasterized image. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that and then make one underneath it, and then I'm going to grab a portion of it, right? So I'm going to go rectangle select, okay, cut out this part, then move it. Selected area is empty. Why is that? Oh, I have to move the selection. So then I have to go turn that back on, and then we have to go here, or you can select that and just drag it across and paste it like that. And then we can hide the one underneath, or we can just keep using this one underneath for the other side as well, right? So because the reason being that this image has a gradient, so if you just apply one color throughout, it won't look uniform. And then after that, you can drag this one underneath. So the top layer is always just going to be the one that you want actually showing to the viewers, and then the side extras, the side ones, just anything extra that you're using to cover up. And then to deselect this, just go select and then hit deselect. And then you can save this one anywhere. So I'm just going to save it chain number or something. And as you can see, it's perfectly hidden all the any creases that would be around here because of like changes in color. Yeah, it's perfect. Thank you and bye.